Hello, I'm Rob Wheathouse with My Crest Needs, representatives of the Crest Clamshell die cutter and our new Crest wide mouth technology. Now the wide mouth technology allows the machine to open up to 3 inches or 2 inches to cut a wide variety of substrates. So today we're set up with a high die in our soft cut system. It's a 2-inch steel rule to cut 3/4 inch Falconboard. Now this is a display type of product. The goal is the customer wants to be able to bend the edges for a display, die cut, kiss cut. So we have the ability to have a kiss cut here, but not have the show through here. So that's for structural. If you're putting a display together, you have pieces that interlock. When this piece from the back interlocks, they do not want to see it on the surface. Now, we're going to die cut punches. Now, it's a 1/4 inch punch and 3/4 inch material. We get this request a lot, but it's very difficult to get a round hole through a 3/4 inch substrate, such as the Falconboard, but it could be Zanita board, reboard, etc. So, in partnership with National Steel Rule, we're developing a pierce or a stabbing punch, which from the back gives you a nice round edge, but from the front you can only see the part that goes through it. So in this case, the wire tie. So I call it our invisible punch. Now we've also developed the ability to fold using a kiss cut type of technique to get that 90-degree angle, or a new VGroove, which is the development with National, the ability to VGroove Falconboard. Now that's only been possible to achieve up until now through table cutting. We are now introducing VGroove for die cutting. So that will drastically increase your productivity, production of parts per hour because of the die cutting versus table cutting. So here we've got a beautiful 90-degree bend using the new VGroove technology. So we're going to die cut, kiss cut, and VGroove this 3/4 inch white Falconboard on the Crest Clamshell using wide mouth technology. That means we have a 2-inch cut and die with a soft cut urethane pad. As I mentioned, this is 3/4 inch Falconboard. We've got our die cut. Here we've got our kiss cut. And we've got brake knife in the middle to help us get the waste out. Okay, so now this is a structural piece. So we have a piece of the display that would come into here, but not see it from the other side. Here, the piece goes all the way through. We have a round hole. Here we have the 2 punches that I mentioned. So when you're doing your assembly, and typically a wire tie secures merchandise to prevent theft. Push it through, it's invisible, as I said. On the back side, it's a nice round hole, kiss cut. Here we have our VGroove, so this is where we want to get a 90-degree bend on 3/4 inch material. As you can see, it bends beautifully. No cracking. It gives you a perfect display piece. An alternative method is the die cut and kiss cut, the notch system. So now we've kiss cut this. See how easy it comes out. And I make my bend, and I've got another method to get a nice 90-degree bend. So I can either use the die cut notch method to get my bend and not disturb the surface, or I can use our new VGroove technology. So there you have it. We've got a new development of punches for Falconboard, Zanita board, reboard. We've got a die cut kiss cut method for assembly of a display. We've got the die cut kiss cut notch to make a right angle, and we've got the new VGroove technology in partnership with National Steel Rule to give you a beautiful 90-degree display piece. So keep watching Mr. Clamshell for further updates. or mypressneeds.com, and look for us in 2019. Thank you.